With all our tech, why can't we find MH370? In this era of incredible technological advancements, it seems like we've unlocked many secrets of our world. We have satellites that can see every corner of the Earth, AI systems that predict complex events, and autonomous drones that explore the deep sea. Yet, one mystery remains unsolved even after a decade: the disappearance of Malaysia Airlines Flight MH370. This incident isn't merely a puzzling mystery, but also a tale of loss and hope that has kept millions around the globe captivated. With all our tools and tech, why can't we find this missing plane? On March 8, 2014, MH370 took off from Kuala Lumpur, heading to Beijing. Everything seemed normal until, abruptly, it vanished from radar screens. The transponder was switched off, and the plane made an unexpected turn, flying off course into the vast Indian Ocean. This wasn't just a small deviation. It was a drastic change that took the aircraft into one of the most remote and uncharted parts of our planet. The flight carried 239 people, and in the blink of an eye, it became one of the greatest aviation mysteries in history. Since that fateful day, multiple search missions have been launched, employing the best technology available. From deep-sea sonar mapping and underwater drones to AI-based algorithms, any tool that might offer a clue has been used to comb through thousands of square kilometers of ocean. Satellites normally tasked with tracking weather have been redirected to scan the area for clues. Pieces of debris, such as a flaperon, have washed up on distant shores like Reunion Island. However, these fragments have only deepened the mystery, offering no concrete evidence about the final resting place of MH370. You might wonder, with all this cutting-edge tech, why haven't we found it? One of the fundamental issues is the sheer remoteness and size of the search area. The southern Indian Ocean is vast and deep, featuring underwater mountains and trenches as profound as 6,000 meters, 20,000 feet. Searching here is comparable to trying to find a single grain of sand on an endless beach. Even with modern sonar and satellite technology, the complex ocean terrain presents formidable challenges, making it nearly impossible to pinpoint the exact location of the wreckage. Even today, finding MH370 remains a monumental task despite advancements in AI, satellite tracking, and deep-sea robotics. In 2014, real-time flight tracking systems like ADS-B were not yet mandatory, leaving the plane's exact path uncertain. Investigators have had to rely solely on weak satellite signals known as handshakes, which provided rough estimates but no precise location. To complicate matters further, ocean currents have likely scattered debris across thousands of kilometers, making the search even more difficult. The disappearance of MH370 isn't just a technological puzzle, it's a profound human tragedy. It has affected countless families who continue to seek closure. Every year, new theories emerge, ranging from mechanical failures and pilot involvement to far-fetched ideas like hijacking or military intervention. Yet without the main wreckage, these remain merely unproven theories, each adding another layer of complexity to this enigma. So, what's next? With newer technology and international cooperation, there remains a beacon of hope that future search efforts could solve this mystery. Advanced underwater drones, improved sonar mapping, and AI-powered analysis might one day give us the answers we've been searching for. But until then, MH370 stands as an unsolved chapter in aviation history, one that challenges our understanding of technology and the natural world. What do you think happened to MH370? Could we find it if we launched another search today? Or will it remain one of history's greatest unsolved mysteries? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this story fascinating, please like, share, and subscribe to Innovative Tech Tutor for more thought-provoking content. Your support helps us explore the mysteries of our world and bring you the latest in tech and travel insights.